Dear students, how are you? Hope you are all doing good. Have you done your homework? No? Why? Why didn't you do that? Do you feel it is too much homework? Okay, today onwards, I will reduce the amount of homework. Let us turn to the second part of homework lesson. All of you open your textbooks and look at the lesson. Next para. The large amount of homework is causing kids in both high school and junior high school to be up until midnight or later. When extracurricular activities such as sports, clubs, etc. are added to the picture, kids may even have to wake up early next morning to finish their homework, leaving them with an insufficient amount of sleep. Because of a large amount of homework, both high school and junior college students have to work up to midnight without sufficient sleep. After the school, in the evening, if they go for any extracurricular activities like sports, music classes, then to complete their homework, they have to wake up early in the morning. So, they will not have sufficient amount of sleep. Next, some parents and teachers argue that it would be beneficial to a child's academics to limit after school activities. However, cutting the time out of the few hours a week teenagers use for exercise could be a factor in the growing obesity cases. But some parents and teachers are feeling that if students do not go to any extracurricular activities after the school, that time also they can utilize for their studies. But if students do not go for after school activities like sports and games, there will be a problem of fatty bodies. Next para. The number of children who are overweight has doubled in the last 2 to 3 decades. Currently, one child out of 5 is overweight. These children are faced with more problems in school. Instead of learning and concentrating on their work, many children are developing low self esteem and even depression because of teasing. From the last 20 to 30 years, the number of children facing overweight problem has doubled. Nowadays, one child out of 5 children is facing this overweight problem. In school also, they are facing some problems. They can't concentrate on their studies because of depression caused by teasing in the class and in the school. The cases of obesity are growing, most certainly due to lack of physical exercise. With more and more homework being assigned, kids simply do not have enough time for proper amount of exercise. Students are becoming fat because of no physical exercise like sports and games. More and more homework is also one of the reasons for not to have sufficient amount of physical exercise. Next para. Homework also takes away the time that a kid could be spending with his or her family. Rather than spending time bonding and building strong family relationships, parents and children argue over homework. Time is taken away from important aspects of daily life. This time is particularly precious in families with both the parents working. Due to more amount of homework, children cannot spend time with their family members. All the time, parents and children argue about homeworks, but they do not spend time to develop strong family relationships. Sometimes they cannot spend time for some important things also. Spending time with the family members is very valuable in families with both the parents or employees. Next, the time spent by such parents with their children is very limited. This time could be better spent going out to dinner as a family or doing other activities that most families are not able to do because the kids do not have time to take a break from their homework schedule. If both parents are employees, they spend very little amount of time with their children. Going to restaurant for dinner and doing some other activities are the better ways to spend time with the family members. But some families are unable to do this because their children do not have time to break their homework schedule. Next para. When assignments are given carelessly and frequently, it causes students to lose interest in the subject. Negative results can also occur when a student is not able to complete his or her homework. Many times they will resort to copying the homework, having others do their assignments, or cheating in tests. Bad habits such as these are likely to haunt kids through their lives and have an adverse effect on their moral judgment. Students will almost always take the easy way when it comes to homework. If a teacher gives homework carelessly and frequently, it leads to lose the interest of the student in the subject. If a student is not able to complete the homework, it causes to bad results in his studies. Students who are unable to do their homework by their own develop a bad habit of copying homework and cheating in examinations. These type of bad habits causes problems throughout their life and affect their moral values. All the time, students try to complete their homework in the easy way. Next para. The use of homework is effective when used by the rule less is more. Overwhelming of kids with loads of homework can cause them stress and possible physical injury. Homework takes away from the small amount of time kids get to spend with their parents and siblings. A limit on their physical and social activities can also take a large toll on their lives and could hinder their health and future relationships. This is not to say that homework should be abolished, but it should be limited. The homework should also be creative and interesting so that the child enjoys it. If we give homework by the rule less is more, it affects the students very much. Means less homework will make the student to understand more. To number of students with the heavy homework causes physical tension and physical injuries. Due to heavy homework, children cannot spend time with their parents, brothers, and sisters. If we reduce their physical and social activities like sports and games, it causes unpleasantness on their lives and affects their health and future relationships. So, homework should be reduced, creative, and interesting. Then the child will enjoy the homework. Dear students, all of you open your English workbook and turn to page number 123. Here, comprehension question number 2 is given. So, write answers to all the 11 passages given in page number 123, 124 and 125 in your workbook itself and read them.